Hello, this is Peter. Welcome back to our channel. In this video we will talk about Instagram influencer marketing. Certainly, Instagram influencer marketing is a powerful strategy to promote products or services. By collaborating with individuals who have a substantial following on the platform. Here's a detailed guide with tips to help you succeed in Instagram influencer marketing. 1. Define your goals. Start by setting clear and specific goals for your influencer marketing campaign. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, or boosting sales, having defined objectives will guide your strategy. 2. Identify your target audience. Understand your target audience's demographics, interests, and behaviors. This will help you choose the right influencers who align with your brand and can effectively reach your ideal customers. 3. Find the right influencers. Research and identify influencers who resonate with your brand's values and target audience. Consider factors like follower count, engagement rate, and content quality when selecting influencers. 4. Engage with authentic influencers. Look for influencers who have an authentic and genuine connection with their followers. Authenticity is key to building trust and credibility. 5. Establish a partnership. Reach out to potential influencers with a well-crafted proposal. Clearly outline the terms of your collaboration, including compensation, deliverables, and expectations. 6. Create compelling content. Collaborate with influencers to create engaging and authentic content that showcases your product or service in a relatable way. Encourage creativity while ensuring brand consistency. 7. Use hashtags and captions. Incorporate relevant hashtags and captions that resonate with your target audience. This will help your content reach a broader audience and improve discoverability. 8. Track metrics and performance. Monitor the performance of your influencer campaign using Instagram Insights and other analytics tools. Measure key metrics like engagement, reach, clicks, and conversions to assess ROI. 9. Compliance with FTC guidelines. Ensure that influencers disclose their partnership with your brand. Compliance with FTC guidelines is crucial to maintain transparency and trust with the audience. 10. Long-term relationships. Consider building long-term relationships with influencers who consistently deliver results. This can lead to more authentic and enduring brand partnerships. 11. Micro-influencers. Don't overlook micro-influencers, those with smaller but highly engaged followings. They often have a more loyal and niche audience, which can be valuable for certain brands. 12. User-generated content. Encourage influencers and customers to create user-generated content related to your brand. Reposting this content can enhance your brand's authenticity. 13. Community engagement. Foster a sense of community by engaging with your audience through comments, likes, and direct messages. Building a loyal fan base can amplify the impact of influencer campaigns. 14. Adapt and evolve. Stay updated with Instagram's algorithm changes and adapt your strategy accordingly. Experiment with different content formats, such as stories, reels, and IGTV. 15. Budget management. Allocate your budget wisely across influencer fees, content production, and promotion. Ensure that you're getting value for your investment. 16. Legal and contracts. Work with legal professionals to draft clear contracts that protect both your brand and the influencer. This should include content usage rights, exclusivity clauses, and payment terms. 17. Monitor and adjust. Continuously monitor the performance of your influencer campaigns and be ready to make adjustments based on data and feedback. Remember that successful Instagram influencer marketing requires a strategic approach, creativity, and a focus on building authentic connections with both influencers and your target audience. Adapt your strategy as the platform evolves and consumer preferences change. Thanks for watching.